eBay grabs me again. More clock making parts. These would be really cool. Edge-lit displays. Pull the little light bulbs out. Replace with LEDs. I think I'm going to do a multiplexed display using the MM5314. That is the plan. A edge-lit display. Nothing more than a piece of plastic with a number etched in it. Hit the edge of it with a light, and the numeral glows. Cool stuff. Cleaning the display panels. Tedious. Yep, can't even see them. They're blended in. Disassembled for cleaning. Okay, clock case. I hit these with the table saw. Hopefully, I think they're going to work out good. I had some old drawers laying around, really ratty drawers. And a rodent has been chewing on this one. Oh, chewed up pretty good. I should have thrown this out years ago, but you know what? Actually, I'm able to get some decent wood out of it. So, the rest of it can go in the garbage now. And we got a clock case. Awesome. Oh, case is together. Came out well. I gotta put a finish on it. Recycled drawer parts. Now, the face of the clock, with these displays being different sizes, aesthetically this was a little challenging to get this thing to look right. So we'll see when it's together how it looks, but this is the best I can come up with. I took clear acrylic, mounted the displays to it, lined them up best I could, and the seconds are going to be larger, but I tried to mask it off and tape it, spray the acrylic from behind with some flat black paint. When installed, you'll see nothing but the digits. So hopefully that worked. We will see. I hope. Okay, so we put a little Minwax, golden oak, on there, one coat. And I'm going to try something a little old school my grandfather used to do. He passed in I guess the early 90s. And this can my mother still uses, rehabbing old furniture. This is what's referred to as butcher's wax. So we'll give this a little different finish. We're going to try that. Well, about 5 minutes. Rubbed it down with this old rag that was in this container. Not much left, but it doesn't take much. This, in fact, was my grandfather's can, and that's his rag that's been in that can for years and years and years. I'm glad to carry on the tradition. So they say, according to the directions, just rub it on, let it sit about 15 minutes and then just buff it. I think my grandfather used to put several coats on. We'll see. I'll play with it and then we'll go from there. Okay, populating with LEDs. These displays originally had incandescent bulbs. Alright, took them all out. This was the retainer. Alright, it had the contacts. Made contacts with the bulbs. What I did, just took a piece of acrylic scraps and drill little holes, individual for each pin. Located it. The clear acrylic, it was good because I could just drill right over the holes in the extruded aluminum here. Once I had all the holes in place and sized up, I then painted the backside black to prevent any light shining through when the LEDs light up. So that's where we're at with this. And you'll see him lit up soon enough. Enjoy for now. Alright, I lied. I lit it up. Adjusting for brightness. Initially I thought 15 milliamps run the LEDs hard. If I had them out, lit them up one at a time. I was like, I gotta light these things up. But now that I got them in the display, I mean, I got full ambient light here, and that digit's clear as day. So we got current limiting and monitoring current, and 5 milliamps. I thought I had to be up at 15. So we might be able to run them way more conservative. And it was about 8 volts going out of the power supply here. My power supply actually does not have current limiting, so threw a little resistor here to limit the current, and I'm kind of happy. So as far as the circuit goes, I'm still building and fine-tuning that. I'm going to change my resistor values, I think, and run these LEDs a little softer. So maybe I'll put a potentiometer in series with the feed, make it adjustable or something. To be continued. Getting there. Had to do a couple adjustments. This is what it'll look like when it's done. But doing a little prototyping. Condense this on a board. 4 more digits. Thing of beauty. Got them all wired up. There's some tape on here now just to keep some of the dust out while I'm working. I did clean these all up. So all these LEDs are populated in here. We have 10, 6, 10, 6, 10, and we have what we put 0, 1, 2. That way we can do 24-hour if we want. Circuit. This is the back side. Control buttons for setting various other things. 12-24-hour switch. Display dim. We're getting there. Hey, came out well. Case has got a nice finish. I don't know what I'm doing with the screws yet. I'm going to paint them black. These 4 on the left are a little oxidized. Maybe I get new replacements if I decide to stay with the chrome look on the screws. Swing around the back here. Okay, we have the classic see the works look. Big displays mounted in there. This thing actually has a little weight to it. We don't make very compact, lightweight clocks here. You can see me. You can see the LEDs dancing. That much light comes through those little pinholes I drilled for the leads. In case you didn't see the video of assembling the circuit, weeding out some of the issues I had with it. There's other videos I'll link below, and you can see those. How to use the classic MM5314 instead of 7-segment output, coming out with this 1 in 10 driving scheme. Well, I do hope you enjoyed the video. We have more builds coming as long as I can hang in there with my issues. Next one uses the same circuit. Yeah, it'll be pretty cool. Just keep a watch for it. Alright. See you for now. Hope you enjoyed.